Hi, is this for the courtyard?
Yes.
I'm here to check in.
You with Red Bull, sir?
Yes. This is 11, 12 on this floor?
No, on the 11th.
11, okay, cool. Thank you. I knew that. Oh, this is the wrong one. Stupid. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We are here in Fort Worth, Texas, as you guys can tell. And we are here for a side-by-side race event. If they get me behind the wheel, it's gonna be game over, and I might take over the race event. I gotta be careful out here, because if I start showing up all these Red Bull athletes, you know, maybe Red Bull's gonna be like, hey, these guys are the ones that are supposed to look good. Can we talk about this flow right here? Because right now, that flow is looking real nice. Got them Ray-Bans, can't be coming out here looking like a brokey, you know what I mean? Editor, let's take that part out. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, how are you? I've never worn a cowboy hat, so this is gonna be interesting. Wait, how do you know which way it goes?
Option number 2, I don't know, a little biased.
Might be a little tight. There we go. That actually feels great.
The next day, we woke up, packed our stuff, and drove to our next destination. This is where Red Bull rented out an RV for each of us to stay in at the track. We were not informed where we were going for the majority of the weekend, and this contributed to me having no idea just how fun this weekend was going to be.
I could teach these guys a thing or two. Will,
Billy Chapman.
nice to meet you, Billy.
All right.
Do we get to take a car home?
Yeah.
Whichever one.
I'm pissed. Red Bull didn't let me keep a car.
Yeah. I want that so bad, bro. You know what? Screw the Red Bull content creator thing. Can we just, can I just get the Jeep?
Yeah. 510 Sprite yellow Red Bull. How about that?
Yeah, that'd be cool. I do have that already, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
I feel like I'm being taken advantage of.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks, man. I need a helmet just for the golf cart.
Tim.
Hi, Tim. Nice to meet you. I'm Will.
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Good. I just need my helmet. All right.
You good to go?
I am good to go.
Let's go.
Yeah, that was awesome. One hell of a driver.
Thank you.
What an experience. You get to do this every day?
Whenever we get people that come in like to want to see the track, yeah.
Yeah,
Good
sure.
rides, man. It's a blast.
Dang, that's cool. What a job. Love that. All right, and then this just turns and it all comes out? All right.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
You bet, man.
Well, that was awesome.
Right?
It's the Piss Daddy Cup.
You did what? Do you trust me?
Do I trust you?
Yeah.
Only one way to find out, brother.
On that first one, you got easy on the first one.
I will. Okay. Dude, how did we convince him to let us do this? He said easy on this one. D1, you're good. Woo! Woo! That was awesome.
I thought we had to go out there and like pull you guys off the course.
All right, brother. And my mic held on. Let's go, dude. It's so cool we got to drive these. That's amazing. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Belt tights, helmet on. Yep. Visors down. Kick it.
Let's do it. Just runs into the car. Brendan, please don't kill me.
I used to do this a lot growing up.
That's what makes me nervous. Big boy. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that was so sick.
I got some large there on that one.
You cleared it, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I would be here all day. All day.
Dude, this car is a lot of fun. It is a bit shit box, but I enjoy it.
That's why I like it. Remind me your name again?
Alexander.
Alexander, sir.
All good? Am I good to go? Okay. Glad here.
So you get to do this on the daily, but
Yeah, this is my job. My day job. Yeah, right?
the stuff you wish you could do in these cars, but just you don't always have the option.
Oh my god.
That was amazing.
Yeah?
That was
good?
awesome. Thank you, Alexander.
No, no problem, buddy.
Can I get out of the driver's seat, make it look like I did it?
Yeah.
I think by now we all know I'm a professional driver. But speaking of professional drivers, let's check out my good friend Seth.
My name's Seth Quintero. I'm 21 years old from San Marcos, California. I race in the T1 class now for the Toyota Gazoo racing team. Obviously this year was a really good year for us. We ended up winning the T3 championships and had a few wins throughout the year, and we're the youngest team in the class and the youngest team really in the bivouac almost. So we're gonna do our best to try and uphold our own standards, but I can't say I want to go out there and get top 10 or top 5. I'm a racer, so I'm gonna go out there and try to get first place. And we got Nasser, Seblo, Carlos Sainz, Stefan Petterhans. I mean, we got so many heavy hitters that it's gonna be a wild ride, but we're ready for war.
I heard your driving's pretty mid.
Yeah, it's pretty mediocre at best. You guys are so...
Yeah.
Definitely should have driver mine.
Well, maybe I should get some. could do better, but that was still really good.
We went through that puddle though. My mouth was wide open with all of the dirt.
Hey, the video doesn't really do it justice.
No, it doesn't, dude. Now, even though I could do a little bit better than Seth, he's an incredible guy and an incredible driver. But we were fortunate enough to meet 2 more athletes who were going to be racing in this event this weekend. But before we introduce them, Red Bull had one more surprise for us.
It's like a very expensive drone. You ready, Brendan? Yeah, this is incredible. That is crazy. No way. Yo, that's so sick. Your helicopter, right? Sure. You gonna get one now? Yeah, that's all you need. 1 or 2. Okay, so we're gonna hover, and then I'm just gonna throw the drink out, and he's just gonna catch it, pop it, and drink it. To him. The one with the phone. Thank you very much. That was incredible. Dude, that's incredible.
Now it's finally time to introduce the 2 athletes who are racing this weekend. This is Mia Chapman. Mia Chapman began racing at the age of 6, standing out as one of the few females in the sport. From winning her first championship at 8 to collecting 7 trophy cart titles, Mia's journey is nothing short of inspiring. At 17, she took the side-by-side off-road racing, surprising her own expectations and continuing to break barriers. Let me also introduce you guys to Corbin Leaverton. Corbin is a young talent from Southern California who has quickly risen in the off-road racing world. With a background in motorsports and now 2 Works championships under his belt, Corbin is no longer just an up-and-coming driver, but he's the real deal. Listening to Mia and Corbin's stories, it's clear that their successes come from a dedication and passion, and a genuine love for racing. They're both incredibly humble and have a clear vision for where they want to go. But let's finally get into what we came here for, the Red Bull Ranch Scramble. While I was hoping for them to be holding trophies on the podium, that's not exactly how this weekend ended. One thing that you don't end up seeing in this video is just how much it rained this weekend. This caused a lot of issues for the racers, but even more so for Mia. While Corbin was battling a few issues with his car, Mia unfortunately crashed and fractured her T7 spinal vertebrae. We were fortunate enough to speak with Mia afterwards, and it's only a 6 to 8 week recovery before she's back on the track again. Apart from the crash, they both did incredibly well this weekend. But what can we learn from this weekend? There's one thing I've learned about Red Bull, it's that Red Bull's mission is clear. They inspire, encourage, challenge, and empower people to make the most of their time and talents. I'm incredibly grateful to be a part of such an amazing community, and it's weekends like this that remind me why I've worked so hard to be where I'm at today. It's not just about the drink, but it's about the experience. Mia, Seth, and Corbin are all exceptional racers. They're inspiring the next generation of off-road enthusiasts. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to follow these athletes, because not only are they incredible drivers, but they're all incredibly genuine people. And big thank you to Red Bull for such an incredible